Welcome to this video where we're going to take a look at what is the probability of an event happening, and specifically we're going to take a look at an event happening with a deck of cards. So the question that we're going to look at here is what is the probability of picking a red face card or a black ace from a normal deck of cards. So envision that you have this normal deck of cards, and I know it's a little bit small there on the screen, but we have this normal deck of 52 cards, clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. Okay, 13 cards per suit. We have ace through king of each suit. What is the chance of you picking, of having those, uh, face down, and you were going to pick either a red face card, okay, so that's a jack, queen, or king of diamonds or hearts, or when you pick that card, you get a black ace, so either a club or a spade in black. What we need to do now is we need to figure out what are the chances of that happening. Now you can use general probability, count up the cards, divide it by 52, and that's going to give you the statement. But I would like to take a look at what is the chance of that happening using an OR statement. Okay. I'll also have a video with an AND statement, and you can look at that also. That's meaning kind of picking one event and then taking a second event after, and what's the chance of them happening together. The OR is just, there's a whole bunch, and we have two different options that we could get, and we're okay with both options. In this case, a red face card or a black ace. So when there are two different events that are happening, the following steps need to be followed. Number one, we need to determine the theoretical probability that the first event is going to happen. So therefore, like a red face card, and that probability is 3/26. And the second thing that we're looking for is we need to determine the theoretical probability that the second event will happen. In this case here, it's a black ace, and therefore we have a probability of 1/26. So these are going to be our two probabilities that we have, and we're going to use them in order to come up with our solution. Okay, so that's how we're gonna go through this here. All right, next step. Next step here is we need to figure out if this is a probability of, for both events, we need to determine if it is an AND or an OR statement. In this case here, we're told an OR statement because we can get one or the other. So red face card or black ace, either one is totally good. And so this is an OR statement. Now, in this case, because it's an OR statement, because either one of the events could happen to fulfill the question. Because it is an OR statement, we need to add both probabilities to find our chance. And so therefore, we're going to add the 3/26 and the 1/26, and we're going to get 4/26. This simplifies out to 2/13. So we have a 2/13 chance of getting a red face card or a black ace, which is the same as a 0.15 decimal or a 15.38% chance. That is an OR statement, and I've tried to simplify it as much as I can, but if we have an OR statement, we need to use adding instead of multiplying, which is an AND statement. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day.